Hello all! Another tutorial about Cura and support. Of course, our students have lots of problems with the settings, and so I decided to take a short tutorial here. It's mainly about for our students, but it will fit also the outside world. The students are advised to take a profile name. On it, it's mainly draft, and the profile goes down to the magic number at layer height 0.12 millimeters, and we have loaded a nice fancy part. As you see here, it will be some kind difficult to print, so let's see how it goes out here. It does not make any support. Of course, support is disabled in the main profile. So you enable this and you will see something soon, I hope. There we come. It goes up to the eyes quite high, and now we start for rotating. But first, here you can go to the settings. It's the material 200 and the bed is heated at 60 degrees. So the line of the infill, it should be only lines. Of course, there is no pressure on the model, and 2 millimeter will work. You can go up to, as you want to know maybe how height the part is, just go up to scale and you will see it's a set height of 34 millimeters, and therefore we go up here to, let's say, 0.3 millimeters, only lines. Okay. The setting, we will turn this to the right here, so the nose is printed, it's tilted. Let's go here, rotate it. This is translation, scaling, rotating, and I think we will start here. So on the back side here, if we get support, it doesn't matter if it sticks. Okay, this seems to be on the front side. Okay, and now we tilt back till we get on the front side here some support. The support is limited to the bed. Oh, this looks very good here. See? And we have some here on the side. This should be okay. Of course, I'd advise you to take, if it's symmetric, a little tilt, so you only get one point here down. But as it starts here quickly to pull up, just give it the tilt back here. You can unhook here the snap, and you can tilt by 1 decrease. So let's see if we can eliminate, can get rid of this one here. Why did I get something? Nothing. There is no change now. Something happened. Sometimes the slicer sticks. What do we do if the slicer sticks? We go down to the brim setting and just get one higher or one lower, doesn't matter why, and we will see if it comes back. Yeah, there it comes. Sometimes this happens. Okay, you see the pile is quite good. You can do something more, but I will say this keeps sticking. Let's see, we get 1.58 meters. The advice is per part to keep lower as 2 meters you get from the box. So let's see what we do. We go higher with the brim at first. Of course, we stick only a few millimeters. Let's go up to 12. And what we do with it's that the tutorial should be about support. So we enable this. We go to normal, and this is overall. So you will see if the model have problems here in the height, maybe in the eyes, there will be support. If we tilt to the left here, there will be sometimes come up support up there. You are advised to keep this overall and turn the part as best setting as ever to get only stick to the ground. So, and we have 2 walls here, of course. Why it's very tiny, and this have to stick. So if for a part easier than this one, only 1 wall would stick. The side of the structure, this is to keep the balls apart on the structure, should be much more than 4, so 5 or 6. Of course, then you can slice it with the knife a little better. 4 is minimum. I go up to 5 here. And if your support structure sticks right tight to the part, this is the number you should look at. It's 0.7. This is the distance in XY. So if you go up here to 1 millimeter, it keeps away from the part and also makes the part where it goes sticks to the surface itself. It's hard to see. It sticks here, and sticks here. This is also here the height of the towers. It's always good to hook up here, use towers, and the diameter should be left by 4 or 5, go not less, and the angel is also important, but 65 as the standard should stick. Here is another angel. Here this is to support. Where are the parts to be supported? Over 45 degrees it's always tricky, but up to 65 degrees it will stick and will give you a good surface. So let's keep it that way and see how we get 1.35 minutes. If you go up as the speed here, let's go back, show the speeds. Speed is 80 millimeters per second, and all is kept standard. Only the brim is reduced to 25 millimeters per second. Of course, it has to stick, and as slower as you print, as better it goes. If you are up to 4 or 5 millimeters, as you are in the room normally, you can go up to 125% on the printer, and you will print faster, or at least the time it let's go here down to 30 minutes should be the time it prints the part. So I hope I could help you a little. It's not like in the lesson we took, but it's alive advice here. Here you can also see where the layers are and have a look if it sticks somewhere together or just sprints out, especially as the nose here. You see sometimes there's one, and how it comes. It should work. Where's the turnover? I have to hit shift for turning. There it comes. But here you see it goes. Why does it not turn? It goes smooth up here. So if you come from the upper side, it seems that it jumps out, but it jumps in actually. So this would work for main part. There's a fault in the model. We have there's the teeth in. You have to put the teeth out. Don't use models that have inlayers. Okay, this is it on this model. Hope it helps someone, and see you next time.